You watching GMA. Normal programming has been suspended. GMA 7 and other channels are emergency broadcast. Please stand by in the following message.
The following message is being transmitted to the request of the Philippine Government, Division of Emergency Management and Amber Alert, at 4:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The sky changes color red and dark red clouds. Please stand by for further messages. A new message. A battle for Dream Island object was taking over FBI in the show. The object is believed to be an object flower. She is 397 kilograms tall, yellow and pink skin from Bibia F. and F. and has 5 pink leaves in her head and black eyes. She has last seen being tall. The announcer is believed to be a host. He is eliminating contestants just like object show hosts are, and now Flower is taking her revenge. Please seek shelter and lock the door before she murderer you, or call 911 on her. Here on Farewell GMA broadcasting resumes. We going to hearing news. Good luck for now. Normal program shown been now resuming.